Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Dessert Hair. Y'all, I love working with this company. Their hair is always bomb, literally bomb as fuck. But they sent me this wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. So y'all keep watching if y'all are interested. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that the wig came in. Very cute, very simple. The hair is 100% human hair. It came with a pair of eyelashes and a black bonnet. The bonnet definitely comes in handy. But this is how the hair looks fresh out of the pack. Literally nothing is done to the hair yet. I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig, and I did pluck a little bit. I didn't really have to pluck too much, but I did anyways, just because. But you will see everything that I did in this video. But I'm just showing y'all how the lace looks. It has combs in the inside, so you can make it tighter if you want. It's really all up to you. So let's get into installing. Now I used the old ball cap method that I already had, because the wig that I had on before that was only on for a few days. But I'm just putting the wig on and measuring it to my head to where I want it to be. I feel like this step is very important. This really depends on how your wig will lay down flat. If you don't do this step and fix it right, then sis, it's just not gonna work out right. So now I'm taking my boho glue and I am putting it across my forehead, above my hairline, and I am, just making it where I want my wig to lay down at. I usually put about 2 to 3 layers on. It's really all up to you. It's really all off how you sweat, what your daily routines are. Like, it's really all up to you and how much glue that you want to put. But once you're done, you're just gonna let it dry clear, and once it dries clear, you just be laying it down. When you lay it down, I try to lay the middle down first, and then work on the sides, because you want your middle to be flat regardless, especially if you're doing the middle part, y'all. So once that dry, I'm just gonna be laying it down. Now, y'all, this band, this lace melt band, whatever you want to call it, is very important. I feel like this really helps the lace and the glue lay and work together. Like, I don't know, try it, let me know if it works for y'all. But now I'm just taking my comb and brushing the hair back before I cut off this lace. I am using a razor. I do not really know how to work these because I am left-handed, but I try to use it to my best advantage. I don't really know, but I'll go in with scissors eventually, because yeah, it just works out better for the side lace with the scissors, y'all. I don't know, I hope this all makes sense. I be trying to do voiceovers for y'all, because y'all always say I never do voiceovers. So I'm really just trying to explain the steps to y'all, and make it easier for y'all that still be learning. Also, I'm still learning as well. I feel like everything is a learning process. Every wig that I do, I get better, learn a new technique. Now I'm going in with my concealer. As you can see, this really does help the lace blend in with your skin color more. Also, I will be laying the lace down again because it is lifting a little bit. But once I'm done, laying it down, I will be putting a black band back on top. I feel like the steps with the black band is very important, because the band is what helps your lace melt into your scalp. So now I will be pouring out my baby hairs. Y'all, I will be having a more in-depth video on this. A lot of y'all be asking me how I do this. I'm really learning still, I'm not gonna lie. So each wig it be a different set of baby hairs, y'all, literally. But eventually I will get a a routine for it. Hopefully that makes sense. But I will just be pouring out my baby hairs, and then once I'm done I will be laying it down with mousse. At first I was using Got2b glue gel, but I feel like that was getting too hard. Like, it made it too hard, too stuck to my head. I feel like the mousse works a lot better. So yes, y'all, try that as well. You get to move the hair once you cut it and lay it, instead of like having a fight with it and it be all stuck and the little white caked up stuff. So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Dessert Hair. My discount code will be in the description box, as well as their Instagram, website, and WhatsApp. Literally everything that you need to know about this company will be in the description boxes. I love working with them. Their hair is literally a 10 out of 10. Don't say I did not put y'all on, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Also, don't forget to go watch the rest of my videos, and don't forget to friend about my channel.